Are you serious? Are you serious? Well, Greece is the word. Greece is the word, and it's because Alexis Tsipras has really got his hands full, folks. He has a nation that's broke, busted, and disgusted, and now the borders of Greece have no control, and the European Union is giving Alexis Tsipras 3 months to shut down the immigration, the migration of immigrants that are just flowing out of Greece into the other rest of the European Union. Matter of fact, here's what it says. The Commission of the European Union, or the EU, has told Greece that it has 3 months to come into compliance with its system of registering and processing migrants, or its borders will be sealed and migrants will be forced to remain where they land. In other words, because they're all pouring into Greece. Greece can't process them or don't want to process them. They're just herding them toward their borders into the rest of the European Union. And you have to understand why this is huge. This is why Germany's been over flooded with migrants. Belgium's been overtaken with migrants, and France and the United Kingdom, and as they're assimilating among the population, they're bringing with them their cultures of Sharia law nature, and they can't tolerate living in a free society, and they want to force. I mean, folks, Cologne, Germany, they had another carnival just the other day, and it was insane. 650 claims of attacks, 55 which were of sexual nature, groping, raping, sexually assaulting women in the streets of Cologne again at a carnival. And this time the German men fought back and brawls broke out. And there was a couple stabbings and different things took place, but the men started fighting back. And matter of fact, though, the bars had to be closed in all of Cologne. And of course, shutting down the bars in Germany is like bringing the end to the world. I mean, at a carnival. I mean, that's just so. Basically, what's happening is the migrants, with the Muslim migrants that are entering into Europe with their strenuous mentality of Sharia law or a different level of trying to force their cultures upon people who are already there, it's getting ugly. And so now the EU is telling, and everybody's coming through Greece, so the EU is telling Greece, you have to fix this, or we're shutting the borders down. Nobody's going to come in out of Greece. We're just shutting you off. We're shutting you off. You just keep them all. So if that's the situation, the latest decision by the European Union Commission represents the accumulation of the growing frustration with Greece's handling of this migrant crisis, with the Commission officials already accusing Athens, Greece, last month of having seriously neglected its duty to protect the EU bloc's external borders. See, this is what I'm saying, folks. It's this thing is falling apart. It's falling apart. Now that takes you back to Donald Trump and his borders and his nationalism ideology, which is to, you got to seal the borders down, and you got to let those in after you properly screen everyone. You got to not only just seal borders with physical walls, but you have to get more importantly is the visa. It's the visa process that allows migrants to flow into America right now without fully being vetted. And guess what? The San Bernardino massacre from migrants that just slipped through the cracks pretty easily. The policy's bad. They came legally. The policy says if you want to get married here, you can. That's an open door to come on in. You can get married. These two people, well, we don't even know what their real relationship were. We know they were terrorists. And here's another thing. And she was already radicalized. All right. And then here's another situation you have. Because you have this open, free, loose visa vetting process in America, this opens us up to the security of our nation. This is what happened in Belgium. Every one of those terrorists that killed 130 people in Paris, France, came through Belgium, through Greece. Okay? So Greece is the word. But really, the real problem is an excessive amount of Muslim migrants. And and the culture they bring. I'm just being honest. Nobody wants to say it that way, but I just tell you exactly what it is. So anyway, pray for Greece. It's a problem. Pray for the world. We're in trouble. Okay, this thing's in trouble. This thing's winding down. All right. Are you saved? Call on the Lord Jesus Christ. Don't miss my live show. It starts in about a half hour. I want to see you at 12 noon Eastern. All right. God bless.